In the unforgiving Arctic, where life hangs by a thread, one predator has mastered the frozen wilderness. Across endless fields of snow and ice, the Arctic wolf moves with silent precision. Its thick white coat shields it from brutal cold, while its pack works as one to hunt in one of Earth's harshest environments. Every step, every chase, and every successful hunt is a fight for survival. In a land where only the strongest endure, the Arctic wolf stands as a symbol of resilience, teamwork, and the untamed power of nature. Witness the wild. Subscribe for more breathtaking wildlife documentaries.